Hello everyone, today we'll be solving Leetcode 2139. You're playing a game with integers. You start with the integer 1 and then you want to reach the integer target. In one move you can either increment the current integer by 1, double the current integer. You can use increment operation any number of times. However, you can only use the double operation at most max double times. Okay, so given two integers target and max doubles, return the minimum number of moves needed to reach the target starting with 1. Okay, so target 5, max doubles is 0. Okay, so this is kind of moving from the back. So if, let's say 19 is an odd number, right? So we decrement it by 1 first. Okay, and then I think that's how you're supposed to solve it in like a greedy fashion. So let's say you have the number 19. So in the first operation, you make it 18. And then second operation, since we have max doubles equal to 2, we half that. And then in the third operation, you decrement it again. And then fourth, you half it again. And then, okay, target is 5. Never mind. That's not how exactly you solve it, I guess. Hmm. So you can use it. Increment your current integer by 1. You start with 1. Okay. Target is, okay, no, never mind. Target is 19. You start with 2. So start with 1. Yeah. So 18, let's say, so 18, that's the first. And then you bring it to 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I think that's like the greedy way to solve it. Let's verify if that works. So let's say 10, right? So 10, 5, and then 4, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah, we start from this operation. Yeah. So I think we can just simulate that. So let's say we start with the number, we start with target. So start is equal to target. Okay, so while start, or let's just say this is n. Okay, while n not equal to 1. So when it's equal, we stop. And then let's have a result, which is return result, and then initially the result is 0. Okay, so what we're supposed to do is if n is an odd number, so if n mod 2 is 1, and we have max doubles, which is an integer, then we're supposed to divide n by 2. So n divide n by 2. And then if it's not, we just subtract n minus 1. And then each time we do this, we increment the result with 1. Yeah. So after that, we return the result. I think this is the right solution. Okay. So target is 19. Okay. Whenever we use max doubles, we're also supposed to decrement it by 1, which I forgot to do. Okay. So let us print out n and then see what's going on. Okay. So initially, yeah, the mistake I was doing was n has to be an even number, right? Not an odd number. If we have to half it. So n is equal to, if n mod 2 is equal to 0, then we Then we half it by 2. Yeah, and that's the solution. Why is it so slow? The time limit exceeded. Oh, interesting. Okay. Hmm. Okay, what we can do is if max doubles is 0, uh, yeah, okay, if max doubles is equal to 0, then we just result plus equal to the remaining numbers plus 1. Okay, right. If we have 5, we have to do 4 operations. So result minus 1, right? And then we just break out of the loop. And I don't think we even need this condition here. Let's use this test case. And what is the max? Yeah, max doubles is within 100. So yeah, that just saves a lot of time because we don't have to uh, traverse until the end. Yeah. So that was the solution. Thank you for watching.